with the summer, right in the prime time here, I decided to put a little bit upgrade to my patio door. This is the magnetic screen door. I got this from Amazon, and by the way, this is not a product promotion. The seller did not sponsor me this product. This is purely my own honest review. So this is what it comes with. It's included with the screen doors and the side velcros, and this is the main velcro for the top, and this is this narrow velcro for the two sides, left and right, and here's some pins for additional stability. And here is the main unit here. This is the screen door, magnetic. As you can see, it separates and it sticks right back. So this is a standard size door off of my patio door right over here. So what I'll do is I'll be installing this. It should not take more than 10 minutes at the most, I would think. So the first step is according to the instruction. Okay, here's a step-by-step guide. Obviously clean the door frame around it, wait for it to dry. Yeah, the instruction is pretty much straightforward, nothing too crazy, no rocket science logic involved here. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, the first thing that I'll do, make sure the trims and the edges are clear of debris, so the Velcro can stick right on it. Just need to wipe this down gently all the way. So there are three Velcros, the larger one on the top frame, and the narrower one on the two sides, left and right. No Velcro on the bottom because it needs to be open. Okay, the first step is to attach these Velcros directly onto the screen door first. So we'll start with the top one. The instruction is to attach it, Velcros, without removing the backing paper. This has to be taken off once we hang it, paste it to the door frame here. So let's see how this goes. That's right. That's the reason why the instruction said to place the screen door flat on the ground. This was the reason why. Yeah, so this thing is slightly longer than the door frame itself. Now for the sides. The side Velcro is just one long loop. You have to cut the sides. Okay, just need to cut this to size and go on the other side. Do the same. There, cut the last piece. Okay, and top here, make sure it's aligned. Cut. Okay, so door is ready to be. Okay, sticking this as it is, and I'll be sticking it, piecing it on the frame. That's about perfect height. Yep. So you find the middle and just paste it. Peel off the white backing tape. That looks good. Sweet spot. So, you want to paste it from the top Velcro first. Make sure it stays on the frame and it's all flattened out. Okay. The top is good, top is ready. Just need to do the two sides. So you want to press it gently as you're peeling it off and while keeping it tight. Straight.
quite sticky. This adhesive. But the good thing about this product is that there's no drilling, screws, hammering involved. It's just adhesive, stick right onto your frame, no matter the material. Okay, almost done with the left side. All the way. There we go. Looks good. Sure.
That's all. There it is. Magnet door. It closes on its own. No need to worry about flies or those annoying mosquito insects try to creep in. This is what it looks from the inside. Nice and clean, white color. And this is how it works. Open it. Automatically it closes. Convenient. Ta-da! Now if you want to leave this open, there's also a tie down strap on the side with a buckle on each side. So you can roll it up and then just buckle it up just like in a tent. Just like that. Neat. And it's complete. Nice, huh? Close it. So there it is. This was the Chiyuns mesh screen door magnetic closure. So if you are interested in purchasing one, please support my channel by clicking on the affiliate link below. I do get a small amount of commission when anyone purchases the product through my link. It'll really help with my channel so I can make more videos like this. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.